So you created the perfect product to sell on Amazon. But what should be the price, the selling price of your product? The positive thing about selling on Amazon is that you can choose to sell the product at any price you want. It is your product and you make the decision. The negative part about selling on Amazon is that there are other sellers and customers are going to be comparing your product to everyone else's product on Amazon or to similar products on Amazon. And that's why the selling price is a very important factor as to why the customer will or will not purchase your product. Hi, my name is Crystal and I'm the founder of Amazon Sellers Society and Sellers Society. Welcome to another episode of Amazon Decoded, the go-to series for anyone that's looking to understand the technicalities of selling on Amazon right here on our YouTube channel. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button, make sure that you like this video, make sure that you leave a comment so that you never miss another episode and so that I can keep filming these videos because I need to know that you are actually liking them. Now, Amazon has figured out the trifecta to why Amazon customers like to purchase products from Amazon. Number one, lots of options. Number two, good prices. And number three is fast delivery. Now, you as a seller need to focus on the good prices element. The other two components are something that Amazon needs to focus on. So how can you determine good prices and how should you look at this whole system? The most important thing when your product appears on the Amazon search results page is CTR, or click-through rate. This is very important because what you want is customers to click and enter into your product page. That's where they can understand a little bit more information about your product and they can eventually purchase it. So here we're looking at hair curlers as an example. And if we look together, you'll see that there are very similar products at different price points. I've purposely chosen this product because obviously it does have a lot of brands like Babyliss and other recognized brands, but there are sellers that are selling under brands that are probably native to Amazon, not recognizable in the retail space and still making a lot of money and getting a lot of sales. So as you can see here, straight out of the gate, this product has an Amazon Choice badge, is selling at 159 dirhams and has 53 reviews. And this product, which seems to be very, very similar, but probably doesn't have a nice main image. Maybe this product also has all of these accessories. However, the seller has not decided to add those in the main image and is selling at a much lower price point, ranked next to the main product right here, which has the Amazon Choice, but still not getting enough sales. This is a product that is selling at 139, is selling well. It is the best seller, and it's not at a low-end price point. Why do you think is the reason as to why this product is selling, even though with this product you get all of the other barrels and attachments as part of the product and with only around 20 dirhams difference? This is also a product that's selling very much similar. It actually has so much more components than this product and is selling at a lower price point. The main image is very nice. Definitely doesn't have any social proof, so doesn't have any reviews. So those are the things that Amazon customers look at whenever they want to purchase your product. So make sure that you keep them in mind whenever you're creating this price point strategy that we're going to be talking about in the video. Now remember, you can reach out to us through the Amazon Seller Central, inside of your Amazon Seller Central account, through the service provider network dashboard. Find us, request some support, and we are ready to help you. Or you could just reach out to us on our website, www.assmiddleeast.org. Now, to determine what price you should be selling your product for, two main things you need to think about. Number one, your business goals. What is the reason you are selling on Amazon? Definitely, the number one reason is because you want to make money, and that's a valid point. But Are you in this business as a short term? Do you want to make money quickly and move on? Or is it a long-term business where you really want to build a brand and think long-term? Because you're willing to take more risks if you are doing this long-term versus short-term. So really think about it, be honest with yourself, and decide which business model you want to follow so that you can make the right decisions for your business. Number two, you need to determine the cost of selling this product on Amazon, which is a variable that a lot of people miss. And it's very, very easy to determine. Let me show you. I'm going to be using the Profitability Calculator from Helium 10. Remember, if you want to use Helium 10, we've got a special discount code for you where you can get 20% off for the next 6 months, which is valued at around $120 in savings. Use the code on the screen or use the link in the description box of this video. Now, let's click on the drop-down extension from Helium 10. Let's say I want to sell this very similar to this hair curling iron. I'm going to check the profitability calculator. Now, I also found this product on Alibaba, which is very similar to what I intend to sell. I just want to get an idea of what the price can be. And in this case, the price is going to be 64 dirhams. Okay, this is just like as a general idea. Going back to this, let's assume that we're selling the product at 139 dirhams, the same exact price as what Babyliss is selling it for, but the unit manufactured costs us 65 dirhams. With the dimensions and all of the information here, I want to see what the fees of selling this product on Amazon are for. So the first fee is the FBA fee right here, which is 8.50 dirhams. The second fee is the storage fee, which is per month at 0.25 filis, which is very, very low. And the referral fee is 13.90 dirhams. Now, do remember that the referral fee is based on your selling price. So the lower the selling price, the lower the referral fee. That's one thing to note. And do remember that the fees are only paid, the FBA fee and the referral fee are only paid once you make a sale on Amazon. So these are not upfront costs like the price of the product. These are actual fees. So with that being said, right here, what the calculator is letting me know is that if I sell the product at 139 dirhams, then I'm making about 35% margin. Of course, this does not take into consideration any advertising spend that I'm going to be spending on the product. But now you have a ballpark figure. I'm making about 50 dirhams in profit from this particular product. Now that you know what the fees are and how they are calculated, now you can create the following. Okay, now that we're done with the costing and you know exactly what it costs for you to sell the product, let's start with the price elasticity strategy, which is all about testing your prices at variable points to determine which is your best selling price for you to make the most money. Now, you need to have 3 different prices and you need to test those prices. Entry market price, mid-market price, and high-end price. Now, for each and every price point, you need to have a low price, a mid-level price, and a high price. And you need to be testing the prices and see what your CTR is going to be, and most importantly, what your sales are going to be. Now, you need to be testing the prices for at least 7 days. Even more would be great. And make sure that you test the prices during a time when there's no holidays, no seasonal events, nothing. It's just a stable month where you can really test out the prices and determine whether or not you should be selling at an entry to market price, a mid-level market price, or a high price point. But do remember your goals. So it's not always necessary to just sell units. If you are in the long term or if you are in the short term, it's very much dependent on whether or not you really need to focus on profitability in the beginning, yes or no. Let me know what other information you have questions about so that we can do videos about them in the Amazon Decoded series. And I'll see you in another video with so much more information. Bye.